Welcome back to another auntie wig transformation. Today's auntie wig is brought to you by my sis. She got influenced, y'all, and bought this bang by wig and couldn't do nothing with it, so she threw it my way, which is not much you can do with a bang by wig, but I'm always up for a challenge, so hey, let's make it do what it do, baby. So straight out the box, it's not a bad wig. It got these urban highlights that I like. All the combs are in the right place, so it makes it snug and secure. With some finesse and customization, I can go from looking like Miss Swan from Mad TV to looking like rich auntie. So let me grab my handy dandy tools. I got my flat irons, my clips, and my razor comb. First thing first, let's tackle this Cousin It looking bang because it's a little too thick and a little too blunt for me. Now, I always tell y'all, I don't know how to do no hair. I just know how to do my hair. I know how to get me together. However, I will take techniques that I see other people use to make my life a little easier. So this technique right here is where you twist the bang, add a tie, and then you take the razor comb and cut it, and it's supposed to give you this nice little fringe. Well, spoiler alert, that did not work for me. Let this be a reminder that what worked for some might not work for you. Do what's good for you, boo. And these scissors is what I'm used to, and it works well for me. So I'm gonna cut it in an angle. Now, this is another cautionary tale that you get what you pay for. So this did not give me the best results. So I'm just going to go ahead and shape it and clean it up. And then I'm gonna come back to it because right now I'm feeling a little discouraged and I need some motivation. So let me see if all this effort is worth it in the end. So I'm gonna go through and just like flat iron it just to see what I'm working with. And it does take heat, so that is a good sign. It's a good thing. If all else fail, I can curl it or flat iron it. So now I'm shaping it. I want a chin length bob because I get hot flashes and I never know when they coming or going, but when they show up, I don't need nothing on my neck. I need all my air conditioning. When cutting these bobs, it's all good until you try to see the back, baby. It was giving me the flux. So I wasn't having that, so I had to break out the mannequin head, which was the best idea yet because I was able to get that precise cut that I was going for. Now, this is what it's looking like, y'all. Not too shabby, huh? But this is what it's giving. All right, you guys, this is the final look. How do you think I did? There's not much you can do with a bob, okay? A bang bob wig, okay? But, you know, I feel like I did give it some life by fringing out the bang, giving the bang a choppier look, and just like cutting it shorter. I think it looks more flattering on me shorter, and it gave it a little youthfulness. You guys let me know in the comments what you think, okay? But not too much, okay? This is an auntie wig and an auntie wig tutorial, or auntie wig. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, or follow whatever platform you see this on. And comment down below, like and share. And until next time, stay fly.